Hello everybody. Today is Sunday, so it's singing day, and I hope that you guys had an amazing day. If this is your first time to our YouTube channel, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you do don't just hit the like button and subscribe if you don't enjoy the videos that we do upload. But if you do, thank you very much. If you're a returnee, thank you very much for your support and always following these videos. I hope that you enjoy today's singing inspiration, Sunday inspiration, whatever you want to call it. Ranning meinisin, Chuukese. Ikäläi räivifien säfärräi every Sunday käsi se upload taske poem sika vet sika pusiferi si wo tere para upload tirs ke video singing. Pasal pelatsek haski so mwareiti kool me petekun. I wanted to sing a good very thin. Si afetengeri Easter iwe Atsok patseveto kukureikiri so mwareiti kool Tong me pelawan arewi rebes. Esapw enetin kottogese Mwuuch. Kitsotipis kitson fötek natipis naskiriso ngerikot punarwetong mearuvöt atirato nurvärö sises puepatori or evaden malai evan ngeri nerian nonneng. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, ikautsaroit se video e messari apkebue akosteringeratske good every Sunday. Ikame pasari metsika para upload every Thursday. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that way you don't miss any uploaded videos. Make sure to hit the bell button, that way you get notified every new video that we upload. And if you like this video, you feel you get where everybody you got Fabi Roba Fayette City, met case you got one upload to the YouTube channel. Please feel free to share it with your family and friends. As always, God bless, follow your heart, take massive action. Let's live the life that we were truly born to live. See you next time.